Why am I smiling and why do I sing? Why does December seem sunny as spring? Why do I get up each morning to start happy and better with joy in my heart? Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a life full of you. I'm just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so down up above. The songs in my heart, I'm ready for love. Let the storm becomes chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I have a smile on my face. I'd walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.